Good day, students. The next question that we will be solving is the trapezoid. That's question number 4 in the paper that you were given, and the dimensions are given to you. The question reads 70 millimeters, 60 millimeters, and 40 millimeters, and the angles 120 degrees and 135 as shown below. 120 degrees is something that I will not show you with the compass and ruler only. I will be showing it to you today. So we will be starting with the first step. So the first step was to draw the line AB equal to 60 millimeters. Now we go to the second step, is to draw the angles 120 and 135. I have here the line AB, horizontal line with my t-square, 60 millimeters. Now I want to be drawing the 120 degrees. So what I do, I place the center of my compass at A and I draw an arc. I do not need the entire semicircle because 120 degrees is just 30 degrees greater than 90. So with the same radius, I place it where the arc meets the line and draw the first arc. Now that, if you remember, is 60 degrees. 60 degrees angle at vertex A. So with the same radius, do not open or close your compass. I place it at the 60 and I draw again. 60 plus 60 gives me 120 degrees. So that line is supposed to be 120. So I have drawn my line here, which is supposed to be 120 degrees. I can measure it with my protractor because this is not something that I showed you in class. Remember, place it properly. Start with the scale that begins with 0. Go around 120 degrees. So the 120 is done. We now do the 135 at B. So I have here the 120. I want to be drawing the 135 degrees. I place the center of my compass at B. These are steps that you already know. Remember, we need the 90 degrees first. So we draw a semicircle and we place the center of our compass where the semicircle meets the line. Open our compass greater than center B. Draw the first arc. Go over on the other side of the semicircle. Repeat the step. Do not open or close your compass. Draw the arc. Now if you remember properly, this is supposed to be 90 degrees. So once you draw the line, you will realize that that is a 90 degrees at vertex B. And now you remember how we draw the 135. We place the center of our compass where the semicircle meets the line. And we bisect this 90 degrees over on the right side. Draw the first arc. Follow the semicircle. Where the semicircle meets the 90 degrees, you repeat the step. Notice semicircle and the line. You draw the arc so that they meet, and this is supposed to be 135 degrees. Okay, now we just have to measure the lengths of lines for the sides. And according to the question, step number 3, mark off AD and BC equal to 70 millimeters and 40 millimeters respectively. Respectively means that 70 millimeters corresponds with AD and the 40 millimeters corresponds to BC. So from A, we will measure 70 to get D, and from B, we will measure 40 to get C. Okay, what I have done here is that I have measured the 70 and the 40 and I have darkened because that is part of the trapezoid. 70 and the 40. So now all that we have left is to darken AB and to join a line from C to D and darken as well. So this is the final drawing, students. I have darkened AB and CD and the entire trapezoid is finished. Write your name at the top and that is it.